one that can take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me?
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Deaja, but you can call me D. And this is day 5 of my Valentine's Day series. I'm uploading a different Valentine's Day look every day for the 14 days of love. Today's look, I don't know what I want to call this look. This is an inspiration look that I got off Instagram. I seen this picture and I was like, ooh, that's cute. It's from EG Makeup Art. So yeah, that's the inspiration for today. So I don't know what I want to call this look, but let's just get up into it. Okay, so I figured I'll do actual talk in the video, actually talk in the video instead of doing a voiceover. The only reason I started doing voiceovers is because y'all, my mirror is so loud. My mirror is loud. I know y'all hear it, but just I don't know. My wrist is under construction right now. I hurt my wrist when I was doing my hair. So yeah, but you know, I'm not gonna let this stop my series because I'm not doing it. But I'm gonna jump right into the video. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm using my Goof Proof Brow Pencil from Benefit Cosmetics in the shade 4. And I'm going to brush my eyebrows up first. Oh yeah, this is gonna this is gonna be harder than I thought. Okay, so I'm going to line the bottom, line the top, and shade the middle in really lightly. I like to do light strokes in the beginning of my eyebrow to give it more of a natural touch, and then afterwards I'm just gonna brush them. Okay, so next what I'm using is my Anastasia Beverly Hills concealer in the shade 3.75, and this is what I'm going to use to clean up under my eyebrow. I'm not going to clean up under my eyebrow too wild because I'm going to be using some different color concealer on my eyes, and I don't want it to clash with the concealer. So yeah. And then of course next I'm going to go in and blend my eyebrow out. This is really uncomfortable for my wrist. Like, I need to get a wrist brace, but I want to wait to get it for my job because then I won't have to pay for it. Next, I'm using my BH. Why do I keep wanting to say BH? I'm using my P. Louise base in the shade Rumour Red. And this is what I'm going to use to draw the heart on my eye, which is going to take over my whole eye for real. It hurts. It hurts to squeeze the stuff out of the tube, y'all. I have to use my left hand. And I'm going to go in with this small detail brush and bring it up. Too far. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with this small detail brush, and this is what I'm gonna use to make my heart. And I want the heart to come up under here. Next, I'm going to go in with my pink Louise base in the shade Winter Rose. And I'm going to use this to blend this right with the, I'm going to use this to blend with the red. It's going to go on the inner part of my heart. Y'all see that? Bomb. Sorry, let me stop. And I feel like I took a little bit too much red from the bottom part, so I'm gonna go back and put some more. So next, I'm gonna add some white of the white Louise base in the middle of the heart. I'm gonna go back over with that pink. And back over it with that red. I really get that gradient effect, y'all. Okay, now so I can what's the word? Prevent this from creasing. I'm gonna put some setting powder on it. And the setting powder that I'm using is from my You Can Be Paint Palette setting powder. Okay, so the eyeliner that I'm using today is my NYX Epic Wear eyeliner. Sorry. And I'm going to struggle with this, y'all. This is my dominant hand. Like, okay, can't open it with this. Okay. And I don't know, I just want to put a bottom line. I like that. I like it. Now I'm going to take my concealer that I use to clean up under my eyebrows to clean up around my eyeliner. I want it to be really sharp. Actually, I'm gonna use my foundation to clean up under my eyes.
Yeah, you do too. But I just wanted to know, do you know somebody named? You know his name. Oh yeah, definitely. I know his name. But I just want to let you know that he's mine. No, he's mine.
So I'm using my Too Faced Prime and Poreless powder, and I'm gonna apply this on my cheeks because this is where my pores are mostly visible. Okay, so today the foundation that I'm using, let me pour it out some. The foundation that I'm using today is my Estee Lauder foundation in the shade Cinnamon. And before I do that, well, no, not before I do that, but yeah, before I put my foundation on, I'm gonna spray my brush with this setting spray from Urban Decay. Is the De-Slick setting spray. I'm gonna have to spray this with my left hand. Okay. It's just starting to bother my wrist now, so I have to switch. I'm using my Juvia's Place concealer in the shade Zambia. Concealer contour stick in shade Zambia, and I'm just gonna add a little bit on my forehead, a little bit right there, and that's it for now. Oh, this feels weird. You know I'm right-handed. Okay, that was not good. My hand is irritated. So I'm gonna go back in. We'll go in with some Too Faced bronzer just to make it easier to put some contour on. The concealer, when I can find it, that I'm using today is my Tarte Shape Concealer in the shade Tan Sand. Oh. In my face. So being that I don't feel like washing my beauty blender, I'm just going to apply a concealer one side of my face at a time. Well, no, never mind. So I'm about to add some designs on this eye, and I'm using the P. Louise base Rumour Red, and I think I'm gonna add some black in there too from my Athena paint palette.
Spotlight, moonlight, nigga, why you tripping? Cause you move right. Sure look good in the moonlight. All these pussy niggas so bad, man. Spotlight, moonlight, nigga, why you tripping? Cause you move right. Sure look good in the moonlight. All these pussy niggas so bad, man. Spotlight, moonlight, nigga, why you tripping? Cause you move right. Sure look good in the moonlight. All these pussy niggas so bad, man. Spotlight, moonlight, nigga, why you tripping? Cause you move right. Sure look good in the moonlight. All these pussy niggas so bad, man. Feel like I'm destined. I don't need no smoking resting, no. What were you testing? Focus can't on here's your lesson, no. Life ain't a testing. Taking shots at all your breath, no. Feel like I'm damn man. You fucking playing.
Going into my Morphe Lisa Frank palette, I am using, I'm using this pink shade right here. And I'm gonna just add some pink. Okay, so I decided to add, well, I tried to add some pearls that was too heavy for my Elmer's glue. This is the only glue that I have. So I'm gonna use some, it's some beads. What in the world is ghetto? Okay. It's some beads I got from Michael's. And the beads are falling off the string. So I'm gonna use these to put on to my face. Yeah. And yes, the glue that I'm using is Elmer's. I'm gonna let that dry down for a little bit. So I'm using my Athena makeup paint palette, and I'm using that black from there. That's what I'm gonna use for lipstick today. This is the final look, and I like it a lot. I like it a lot. Yeah, I definitely feel like I did the inspo look to the T. If you agree, like, comment, and subscribe. Turn your post notifications on so you won't miss another beat. Follow my socials in my description. I will see you guys in my next video.
Take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me.